Hello everyone. So today in this video I am going to talk about the question character blocking. Let's first understand this question. In this question we are given two strings of equal length s1 and s2 and we are given an integer t. This integer denotes the time for which a character is blocked and we are also given q queries. The ith query denotes the ith second. Suppose if we pass on the ith query, it means we have come across 1 second. There are three types of queries. The first query is let's understand this with the help of test cases. So let's understand this with the help of this test case. Here we can see two we are given two strings, one is Codeforces and other is code blocks, and we are given t as 5, that is we are giving 5 seconds. 5 seconds, as I said, this is actually the time for which a character is blocked. We will understand this what is actually the time for which character is blocked later on in this video. And we are also given 7 queries. The queries are these one. The queries are of three types. There are the first is type of 1, then is 2, and then is 3. Here you can see there are queries of type 1, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7. Here, if any number is written after 1, it means that the ith character is blocked, as it is written 1, 5. 1, 5 means the fifth character of the first string and the second string is blocked. 1, 6. 1, 5 means the fifth character of first string and second string is blocked. 1, 6 means the sixth character of the first string and the sixth string of the first string and the second string is blocked. It is blocked for t seconds, as we can see here that the t is 5. We can see here that the t is 5, as a t is 5. So we can say that they are blocked for 5 seconds. This is the meaning of 1, 5, 1, 6 and so on. Now for 3, if we are given 3, it means we have to check whether the two strings are same or not, but we have to consider, we do not have to consider the characters which are blocked at that point of time. Suppose at that point of time ith character of first string and second string are blocked, and suppose fifth character of first string and second string are blocked, and eighth character of first string and second string are blocked. So except for the fifth and the eighth character, we will compare a whole string and check whether both the strings are same or not. And in this query we have to return yes if both strings are same, else we have to return no. In a query of second type, we are given 4 integers. This integer and this integer. Let me change this color. This integer and this integer denotes the string number. If here it is written 1, it means we are denoting the first string, and if here it is written 1, it means we are also denoting the first string. And here it is given the index, fifth character or sixth character, and here also. So what we have to do is, for the first string, if it is written 1, then for the first, let me clear it out first. Suppose here it is written 2, here it is written 5, here it is written 1, and here it is written 6. It means we have to, in the second string we have to choose the fifth character, and in the first string we have to choose the sixth character, and we have to replace, we have to swap the fifth character and the sixth character. We have to swap the fifth character and the sixth character of the string. This is the query of type 2, and we have discussed the query of type 3 and type 1. Let's understand this deeply with help of this second example, cool and club. So what this example says is, we have two strings, one is cool and other one is club. So first we are given timer is equal to 2 seconds. Timer is equal to 2 seconds means any character will be blocked for 2 seconds only. More than 2 seconds it will not be blocked. After 2 seconds it becomes unblocked, and initially all the characters are unblocked, and we are given 5 queries. Let's understand the queries one by one. So we are given character COL cool and CLUB club. We are given T is timer is equal to 2 seconds. So first it is given that 2, 1, 2, 2, 3. It means for first string we have to choose the second character, that is O, and for the second string we have to choose the third character, that is U. As it is a query of type 2, so what we will do is we will swap both of them. So we will get the string as CUOL and CLOB. Then again the query of type 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4. For second string we have to choose the second character, for second string we have to choose the second character, and for second string we have to choose the fourth character. And as it is a query of type 2, so we will swap both of them to get first string remains the same CUOL and the second string becomes CBOL. Then we are given 1 and 2. It means we have to block the second character of the first string and the second character of the second string. So we will block U and we will block B. Let me change the color. So we will block U and we will block B. As we have blocked U and B, 1 second has already been passed. 1 second has already been passed, and we have a timer for 2 seconds. It means that they will be blocked for 2 seconds. Next comes the query 3. We can see here. Next comes the query 3. 3 means except for the block characters. We have seen the U and B are blocked. Except for the block characters, we have to check whether the remaining strings are same or not. We see that COL and COL remaining strings are same, so we will say yes. That's why here it is written yes. Here you can see it is written yes. Here it is written yes. And then as it, after the third query 2 seconds have passed. As 2 seconds have passed, so these U and these B becomes unblocked. Now they are unblocked. And again we have asked with 3. 3 means we have to check whether both the strings are same or not, except for unblocked characters, except for blocked characters. We can see that now there are no blocked characters, and we can see that CUOL is not same as CBOL. So at the end here we can see it is written no. So this is the whole question idea. Now we will discuss how we will write the code for this question. As we can see here, we have to maintain a timer. Suppose, so I will make a timer array. Let's see what does this timer array do. Suppose that first I will initialize all the values of here the timer array. Timer array actually is of length q. Q means number of queries. Why the timer array is of length q? Because as there are q queries, it means total q seconds will be passed. We can say that the total q seconds will be passed because the first query takes 1 second, second query takes 2 seconds, second, then the third query takes third second, and the fourth query take time to get implement fourth second. So maximum q seconds will be taken by all the queries. So we will take a timer array. This array name is timer, and it is of length q. It is of length q. Let's say for 1 second, first second, third second, third second, fourth second, fifth second, sixth second, and so on. So it is of length q, as here are 5 queries. So our timer array will be only of length 5. So our timer array will be only of length 5. So what we will put in this block? We will put in this block that on the first second, which on the ith second, for the first second, or whether it is third second, on the ith second, which character is blocked. Here we can see that first is 2. It means that the first the queries of type 2. It means on the first second no character is blocked. Here it is -1. Then again the queries of type 2. We can see on the second no character is blocked. Then the query of type 1. Query of type 1 that denotes that the query of type 1, what does it denote? It denotes that the character is blocked. It means on the third second, we can see that on the third second character is blocked. So we will here put the index of the character which is blocked. So we can see 2. Here we are dealing with the 1 based indexing, so it is given 2. So we will put here 2. 2 means that on the third second, the second character of the first string and the second character of the second string get blocked. Then we will go to 3. After going to 3, we will see that there is no query of type 1. It means on the 4th second no character is blocked. Then we will go to query 3. On the 5th second we will see that the no character is blocked, so we will put -1 here. But what we will do is, as here it is, we are given that the time is 2. Time is 2 means after 2 seconds the characters which are blocked becomes unblocked. So if at the third second the second character of the first string and the second string is blocked, so it means at the 5th second the second character of the third string of the first string and the second string gets unblocked. So when we are at 5th second, when we are at 5th second, what we will do is we will unblock the character. We will unblock the character 5. Here we are at 5th second. So and 5, and we will know that the character is blocked for 2 seconds. So 5 minus 2 is 3. It means we will go on the third one and check whether it contains -1 or not. If it contains -1, it means no character is blocked at third second. As no character is blocked at third second, so we will not unblock them. But when at 5th second, when we subtract from the 5th second, when we subtract 2, what does this 2? 2 is the timer for which the character is blocked. We will get 3. What does 3 denotes? That on the third second, which character is blocked? So we will see that on the third second, second character of first string and second string is blocked. And on the 5th second, we can see that the 2 seconds have already been passed. So we will unblock them. How we will unblock them? For that, we will make a visited array. For that, we will make a visited array. For that we will make a visited array, and if initially mark them with false. False means all the characters are unblocked. As we can see for the third second, if the second character is blocked. So when we come across the third second, we will mark the second character as true. It means it is blocked. And when we reach the 5th second, what we will do, we will see that when we will reach the 5th second, we will see that in the first string and the second string, the second character now becomes unblocked. So we will mark again it as false. We will make a visited array for this. This is the visited array. So we require 2 arrays. One is visited array, and the other one is timer array. So let's understand how we will write the code for the same. So we have taken the input of 2 strings, string s1 and string s2, and we will mark t seconds. T underscore second is the time for which a character is blocked. Then we will see here q queries, and then I will initialize the timer array for q plus 5. Actually we can make it for q plus 1 seconds, but I have marked it for q plus 5 and initialize it with -1. Then I had made a visited array of size n. Let me paste it here. Then first I had made a timer array, then I had made a visited array, as I had discussed. We will discuss what this count and block does. So we will discuss it later on, what this count and block does. Actually we are using count and block so that when we have a query of type 3, we don't have to compare both the strings again and again whether they are equal or not, because comparing both of them takes order of n time. And for q queries it will, suppose we have a code in which there are q queries and every query is of type 3. As every query is of type 3, it means we have to traverse the order of n length of the string q times, which will lead to TLE. So we will maintain 2 variables count and block, because of which we won't have to compare the whole string again and again for the third type of query. So we are here traversing the q queries. For every query, what I will do, I had here written index is equal to I minus t seconds for every query. For every query means for every second. For every second I will subtract t underscore second and check whether there it will be -1 or not. As we had seen here, for every second I will check 3 seconds. Here t is equal to 2, so we will check 2 seconds back. For everything, suppose I am at t is equal to 4, so I will check 2 seconds back, that is 2, because the timer is 2, whether it is -1 or not. If timer of index cannot equal to -1 here at this line, if it is not -1 and index is greater than 0, it means, if it is not -1, it means we can say that okay, we have blocked that character t underscore seconds back, now it's the time to unblock it. So we will find the index. As I had said that in the timer array we will put the index at that timer array. Here it is the timer array, we will put the index of the character which we had blocked at third second. So we will put the as here we had put the index, so in ind is equal to timer of index, we will got the index, we will mark this as false. Here it is written as false means unblock and true means block. Initially all are false, and we will see later on where we had made it true. Now it has become false. We have made block we will discuss later on what does this block means. I will already said that the count and block we will discuss later on. Then we will go to the first type of query. In the first type of query we say if it means we have to block the ith character. As in the first type of query we have to block the ind minus minus. Why I have done ind minus minus? Because I have considering here zero based indexing. You can do it either way according to your choice. We will write timer of I is equal to ind. It means we have pushback on the timer of I. Timer of I denotes on the ith second. We have put the index that this character is blocked, and we had marked it visited is equal to true. As I had shown you here that I have marked visitor of index false. It means now it has become unblock. But in the query of A1, I have marked it true. I have marked it true. This means here I have made it true. It means it is blocked now. For the second type of query, we just had done swapping. We will take for A, B and C and D. I have done D minus minus, D minus minus because I am taking zero based indexing. So here I had just does if A is 1, C is 1, A is 1, C is 2, A is 2, C is 1, and else contains A is 2 and C is 2. This means I have choosing second string and second string, second string and first string, first string and second string, first string and second string, and I have just swapped the characters. And for the third type of query, I have just the name approaches are just traverse the array and see if the characters are not blocked. How we will see if the characters are not blocked? We have made a visited array, and if the visited array is true, it means the characters are blocked. So we will see that the let me open another code which gives TLE when we compare when we compare whole of the array. So here you can see for A is equal to 3. If we compare whole of the array, if visited of I is equal to false and S1 cannot equal to S2. So if we consider whole, if we compare whole of the array, so it is giving TLE on test case 10. So what we will do is we have maintain count and block. Now I will tell you what does actually count and block represent. Count represents the number of characters which are same. Count represents the number of characters which are same right now, and block represents that first the count represents at the ith second number of characters which are same, and the block represents the ith second at the ith second how many characters which are blocked, number of characters which are blocked. So first what I had done is, let me erase them a little bit. Let me copy it again. So count represents the number of characters which are same at this instant, and the block represents the number of characters which are blocked. we will see if s1 is equal to, we increment the count. So for every query, before starting of the query, first we will unblock the characters which are going to be unblocked. If we unblock the character, it means, as we can see here, I had done block minus minus. If we had unblocked the characters, it means number of characters which are unblocked decreases, which are blocked decreases. And if after unblocking the ith character of the first string and the ith character of the second string, if both the characters are same, it means we will increment the count as count is for the number of characters which are same at this instant. Then for a is equal to 1 type of query, a is equal to 1 denotes the block of the ith character. If the ith character is blocked, before blocking we will see if the values are same or not. If the values are same, it means count will be decreases and the block increases. Count decreases as the number of characters which are same decreases, as we have blocked them. So for that instant, block characters are actually nothing for us. They are actually we can't be able to see that the block we can't be able to see the block characters. We have to think in that way only. And block increases if they are not same, so count will not be decreased and the block will increase as the number of block characters increases. For second type of query, if we are actually swapping the bth character and the dth character of the ath and the cth string respectively. So if the bth character of the first string and the bth character of the second string are same, and we know that bth character of the first string is replaced with the dth character of any of the strings. It means there might be a possibility that after swapping, the characters at the bth position will not remain same. So if they remain same, we will decrement count for the bth and the dth position, and at the end we will check if for the bth and dth position after swapping the characters become same, so we will increment count. And if we check the count plus block is not n, so we will count represents the number of characters which are same and the block represents the number of characters which are blocked. So don't you think the sum of both of them should be equal to n? For answer to be yes. If sum of both of them is equal to n, then the answer is yes, else the answer is no. Why? As the count represents number of characters which are same, and the block represents the number of characters which are blocked. And why both of them would be equal to n? If the number of characters which are blocked are, let's say, x, then the remaining elements become n minus x. If out of n minus x all are not same, it means there are some one which are not. If all n minus x are same, it means answer is yes. If all n minus x are not same, it means there are some characters which are not same in the first string and the second string. That's why answer is no. If you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.